Hello everyone, welcome and welcome again. We are Primexar Training Academy. We are going to start with the very basic or the Forex fundamentals. Which market do you think is the biggest market? Is it the stock or the Forex? The topic, it's called leverage. Leverage increases your profit potential, but it also increases your risk. Let me welcome Mr. Guru Ganesh.
It is a very warm welcome to everyone, and myself, I'm Guru Ganesh. I'm a training manager at Primexar. This time we try to cover more accounts as much as possible, okay? And I hope you can able to see. I'm just going to start with the smallest account, and see, we do have like $1,000 account, but this is a reasonable account which we are going to start with. This is the first account we are going to show, and this account actually proves nothing because one account doesn't prove anything. The first account is Iqbal, okay? And here I'm given the MT5 number when the trade was started.
Everything we learned today follows a system, guys, right? See, we select gold, we use pending orders, we calculate our stop loss and take profit using ATR. We maintain a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and we trade only on the best trading days. That's I missed, okay? So can anyone tell me what are the best trading days? Or I think mostly people know. So can anyone tell me why we are not trading Mondays and Fridays?
Are you ready for a rapid fire round? If yes, give me a clap reaction this time. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. So, team, please keep the chat box open, and let me remind you again, every time you answer, please answer it to everyone so that everyone will understand there is a lot of interaction happening here.
But in your journey, whether you have to see the failures, because most of that trading is like there is no difference between with the startup companies. As like startup companies trading also, it is the same. Most of the people they fail because which I see mostly because of the greediness. Let's keep that this is reward, this is a risk. Take profit on the stop loss. Okay, imagine this way.
Guys, we all know that 90% of the traders in the market, they love trading in gold. I'll prove it to you right now with a quiz. So I want you all to be ready in the chat boxes, okay? All the upcoming data releases like the inflation rates, interest rates,
the International Financial Trading Education, the Pro version course.
How many of you here to know the real live trading account before the strategy? First proof and then strategy. Give me a hot reaction.
The US interest rate is expected to increase. Is it generally good or bad? Okay, yes, I'm getting the right answers now. It's good news, yes. We are expecting the US unemployment to be more. Is that good news or bad news? The European Central Bank is announcing the interest rates are going to increase. The interest rates, same question again, guys, focus. The interest rates are going to be more in the in the European Central Bank. Is that good news or bad news for the euro? All of you, it's good news. Yes.
Right? See, we select gold, we use pending orders, we calculate our stop loss and take profit using ATR. So how to execute a trade? I will go on trading. I will go for new order. Okay, not market execution. We're going with limit order. Yeah, 3985 Prashu. Naran, exactly. Okay, we are going with 0.01. It is gold. I'm not gonna risk more.
We are not going to wait until the release. Instead, we are going to enter the trade 2 to 3 days before the announcement.
Thank you everyone and for being with us until this end. Take care, keep learning, stay disciplined, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.